Hello, today I'm going to show you how to find your YouTube channel ID. Your channel ID is a unique string of letters and numbers assigned to your YouTube channel. It's often needed for APIs, integrations, or linking your channel in specific tools or websites. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio Settings. Go to youtube.com and log into your account. Click your profile icon at the top right, then select YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, look to the left sidebar and click Settings at the bottom. Step 2. Access Channel Advanced Settings. In the Settings menu, click Channel, then go to the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll all the way down and click Manage YouTube Account. On the account page, select View Advanced Settings under your channel info. You will now see your channel ID displayed on the page. Click the Copy button next to it to copy your channel ID. That's it. You now know how to find and copy your YouTube channel ID. Thanks for watching. See you next time.